Hello, this is Noni from Enhanced Life Psychology, and I am standing outside Crawley House. You can see the really cool branding up there, and I'm doing a working retreat this weekend. So I started yesterday afternoon, it finishes on Monday, and I'll be spending some of Tuesday and Wednesday continuing to work on the things that I'm doing today or this week retreat. And I thought I'd actually, given I'm here, it is a weekend, but I'm here and no one else is here, I thought I'd maybe give you a bit of a tour. So I'm standing outside 328 Montague Street in Albert Park, and I'm going to turn my camera around so I can show you the front of the building and the locale where we are, and then I'll take you through the building. Okay, so right next door to Albert Park Physiotherapy, there's a cafe across the road, there's a chemist, tram stop, there's another cafe, there's a pub down there, and there's another cafe around the corner. And so this is the front of Crawley House, and we have a beautiful garden. Flowers are getting a bit dead, they've had their day. And got some lovely pot plants in our front garden, and this is the window. This is my office, and I'm working in the front room today, so hence the open window. So you come in, and at the moment we ask you to check in. There's all the information about COVID safe, our lovely sanitizer station. I'm going to close the door, and this will be, at the moment, this is where our admin sits, and across the hallway is my office. So this office here is Enhanced Life Psychology. So at the moment, I'll show you, there's my desk. It's a bit messy at the moment. And the couch where clients sit, and my bookcase and where I sit, and my lovely print, which I haven't hung yet. It's not hanging anyway. And stuff that I'm working on. And then we move down the hallway, and there are two other consulting rooms. So we have one here, and yes, the furniture is the same in all the rooms. So, and then this is the other room. There's a lovely, I've forgotten the vine there, but it's a lovely outlook there. And then coming down into the staff area. So this is not, clients won't be coming through here very much at all. So we have our kitchen with a lime green bench, our table where we can sit at, and bathroom. And unfortunately the door is locked, but we have, you can see, fabulous lemon tree out here. We've got some lovely herbs and geraniums in there. And you can see up here, this is on Bridport Street. That's the side of, I've forgotten the name of it, but it was an old hotel. So this is Crawley House. And when you visit me at Crawley House, you are welcomed into my room, these beautiful green walls and cool light, and you sit on the lovely couch, and we work together to help you find a different perspective, to find a way of managing, coping, enhancing your life, enhancing your performance. And that's what I'm all about. So if if you'd like a little bit more information about me, definitely send me a message or head over to my website, enhancedlife.com.au. And I look forward to, sharing a little bit more over the next few months about what I'm doing and how I work and the sorts of things I want to know about, and some more about me as well. So, as always, I look to help you enhance your life. Have a lovely Saturday afternoon and evening, and enjoy the rest of your weekend. See ya.